how to make your iPhone not turn off when you don't touch it. So all you have to do is to go directly to your settings area here and go to your battery. Now let's just search battery here, tap here. First of all, you have to make sure that you have turned off this lower power mode so that you can access the main settings for not turning off your phone. So here you will see low power mode, right? Just toggle that off and go back to settings and scroll down up until you see display and brightness. So under display and brightness, I want you to scroll down again up until you see this auto lock here. And as you can see, it's actually set for 5 minutes. That means if the phone was not touched for 5 minutes or was not used for 5 minutes, the phone will automatically turn off. Now, since we do not want it to turn off, then tap on auto lock here and set it to never. And basically, you have now made your iPhone not turn off when you don't touch it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.